Welcome back to my channel. Today I am unboxing the BoxyCharm Premium box. This box runs for $35 a month and you get 8 products, I think. Now I'm not sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Maybe 6 to 7, I guess. Full-size products in your box, and which I think the first one was November. And I have enjoyed every single box. So as always, I will be reviewing my January 2020 box, and then I'll get into opening up my new February one. So in January, the theme was breaking the ice. So let's get through these. All right, this first one is from Laneige, and it is a fresh calming mousse moisturizer. So it looks like a mousse jar. Container, not jar, container. You have the pump and it comes out looking just like mousse. I was a little hesitant to try this and I actually loved it. I used it in the morning before sunscreen and it worked well under makeup. I really enjoyed it. Sorry, I was trying to see if it smelled. It doesn't have any smell. It retails for $29. This would be something I probably would repurchase. If I was in the market to buy a new morning moisturizer. I don't know how this would be at night. Luckily enough, it doesn't leave a sticky film, which is what I was most concerned about, being that it's kind of a mousse texture. But I really, really liked this. This is probably one of the most shocking products because I liked it so much. All right, the next product that we got, or I got, was the Palm Spring Dreams Too Faced palette. And I actually had this in my Get Ready With Me, well, I probably did use it in the Get Ready With Me, but in a weekly makeup whatever, basket. Oh, there's the word. And this retails for $45. I think I chose this product. I can't remember, but I'm pretty sure I did. I was super excited to try it. I haven't tried a Too Faced palette since, a long time ago. I own the Too Faced milk chocolate. What is it called, the Too Faced chocolate palette? Is it just called chocolate? The original one, which I bought when it came out. And then I did get one of the Christmas palettes that same year. So whatever year that came out, I got the Christmas palette. And I don't think I've gotten any other Too Faced palette. Oh, I got the face palette just this last fall in the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty. So that's really, I'm not a big Too Faced fan, so that's kind of why I've never really bought much, but I have to say that I really did like this. I did try using this blue color. It didn't turn out well, but that was more my fault than this palette's fault. I got quite a few great looks from this palette, a lot of great neutrals in it. Like I said, I used this blue one time and I need to try again, but really this top 2 rows are perfect. These 2 down here are perfect. The only color that I probably won't ever really wear is this mocktail. It just is too orange and I'm sure it will pull very orange on me, even though it's already orange. And so I probably won't use that color, but this palette was so good. Would I pay $45 for it? Probably not. Well, I know for sure no, I wouldn't. But I do like it and I will use it and I'm glad that I own it. All right, the next product is the Farsali Liquid Glass Radiance Serum. This is actually a primer and I did use this in a Get Ready With Me and as well as obviously in a weekly makeup basket. This is so reflective. There it goes. This is probably one of my favorite items this month that I got. I think it worked really well. It wears well under makeup. It doesn't do anything for me besides hydrate, which I think it's only meant to give you a glow anyways. I don't think it's meant to do anything for pores or tightening or wrinkles or anything. Kids always need something. I feel like I'm losing my voice and I'm filming just 2 videos today. I've already filmed my base box, but I don't know why I'm losing my voice. Anyways, I really like this. It retails for $54. Would I pay that? Probably not. It was good and I'm glad I have it and I'll use it, but I probably wouldn't pay $54 for it. That's just a lot. All right, the next thing in my box was the Lolita Kat Von D Beauty Lolita eyeshadow, which also can be used as a blush, which is how I used it. I didn't use it as an eyeshadow at all. And Oh, I just dug my finger in it. It is an absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous color. It is more of a fall type color for me, so that's kind of why I used it for a couple times and I haven't really touched it since. I do really like it. I think I'm just gonna hold on to it and use it this fall, but it's because it's just kind of a deep rusty color that I typically aren't wearing right now. But I really did like it. I like the formula. It did last all day. It was beautiful. I would love to try this on my eyes. I probably should try that, but I'll get to that. Anyways, this retails for $19, but I think you can get these at TJ Maxx for like $8 or $10. All right, the next thing in my box was the Billion Dollar Brows, the best brow kit ever. I'm not gonna open it because I actually didn't even try it. So I'm not gonna pull out any of the products to show you that I didn't try them, because I'm telling you, I didn't try them. This retails for $42. I am just kind of in a rut with my eyebrow pencil, so I haven't really been pulling in anything new. Just trying to use up what I already have, but I definitely want to give this a try. Maybe I'll try it this month and I'll let you guys know what I think, but I really do want to give it a really good fair shot. I just haven't had time. So there's that. All right, I got 3 eyeliner pencils from St. Luxe Beauty. They retail for $55, which is a joke. So they are just normal pencil liners, which is why I don't think $54 or $55 makes sense, but I haven't tried them. They are in my weekly makeup basket. I just haven't had a chance. And yeah, the black is so horrible. Yeah, they're very dry. They don't swatch very well. Hopefully you can see that bottom one is the nude. Anyways, they're just not my favorite type of liner. I might light, because sometimes I can light, you know, a lighter and I can heat it up and it will be a more softer consistency. I don't know what I'm trying to say. And that sometimes will help them glide more. I'll probably try that, especially with the nude one. The black one, I mean, I just prefer ink or gel. But I mean, between me and I'm sure I feel like I say everything I can pass to my kids, but I do have 3 daughters, 2 of which wear makeup, so I really can just say, okay, I don't like these, they can have them. And they like everything. I think with their younger skin and newness to makeup, they just enjoy that stuff more than I do, being I've used a lot. I don't know what I'm trying to say. Let me put the lids on. Not that they're gonna not dry out because they're already very dry, but you never know. So that was everything in my January 2020 box. It was an okay month. I really liked the palette. Actually, it was a great month. The palette, the liner, the moisturizer, the serum. The really just duds is the liners, but again, one thing that didn't work for me, I think is a great box when you're only paying 35 bucks. All right, let's open up the new box. I cannot wait to get into this one. I didn't mean to drop that so loud. All right, this one does have a card. My BoxyCharm base box did not come with a card. And so the theme is a door. I have variation 22. So let's get into it. All right, the first thing in my box that I see is the Tarte Base Tape Double Duty Beauty Hydrating Primer. I love Tarte as a brand. I have used quite a few products from them, and I typically like their face products more than their eyeshadows and stuff. But I couldn't figure out how to get on. Let's see what, ooh. It's very milky, which I was expecting it to be more creamy, but it's very liquidy. It has a nice smell. It's not too like overpowering. What is that though? I don't know what it is. It smells okay. It smells, I mean, it's not bad. This retails for $30. And I can't remember what I picked. Maybe I will as I get into it, because I don't remember. Oh, Now I just saw it. Yeah, I know what I picked. So I did not pick this, but I'm really excited to have this and try it out. I think it'll be a great product. The next thing that I got is from Korres. I think is how you say it. It is the Basil Lemon Body Butter. I feel like I get so many body butters, but I do really enjoy, I was gonna say music. Lotion. It's not open, so I'm not gonna open it. I'm sure it smells good. I've actually received one of these before, probably from BoxyCharm. I want to say it was like kind of a rose scent, and I really did like it. This retails for $32, which I would not pay for a body butter. I probably would just go to Ulta or even Bath & Body Works and get something, but I'm excited to have it. I'll try it. We'll use it. It'll be good. All right, the next thing that I see in the box is another glow recipe. They must have had like a contract. This is our third month, or three of my boxes, 3 or 4 boxes that have had a product from this brand. This is the Watermelon Glow Ultrafine Mist, which again has the watermelon scent, which I'm sure will be lovely. And then I love face mist. Like, I love them. Probably more than the normal person. Can I get it open? So let's try. Oh, look how cute. How sweet. I love the little bottle. It's so cute. I mean, it's not like it's anything big, but it's cute. I'm gonna mist my face. Oh, it's very, very fine. You won't get like any wet beads on your face from this. Oh, it smells so good. I smell like a Jolly Rancher. Really excited for this. This costs $28, kind of small, but I do really like the smell. And I mean, if it's that good, I probably would pay it. I like that spray. I think it smells great. It costs $28. I guess I'll leave it there. The next thing in the box, which I am so excited for, is an Hourglass blush. I love these blushes, but I might already own this one. I think I might already own it, but that's okay. These retail for like 40 bucks. 40 bucks. This is the Diffused Heat. There we go. Very pretty. I mean, the color is gorgeous. These powders in themselves are gorgeous. So I'm so excited to own this. All right, the next product that I got is the 24 karat gold foil moisturizer. Very pretty. You can see my camera and my blinds. Let's open this sucker up. I've already seen someone else open it and it looked really pretty, but I think this had a ridiculous price. I really like using these tweezers instead of my nails. It is like genius. I can't remember who does this in their video, but it was like, I never thought of it. Oh, it's so pretty, and it's very weighty. Is that a word? Like heavy. It's very nice. Feels luxury. Feels high end. All right, this is from Fascia Skincare. I don't know. $100. See, that's what I think they were saying. They wouldn't pay that. But I will enjoy using it. Oh, it's like it's very gel. So I probably won't like this at night. I'm not sure if it's geared towards a night moisturizer. Oh my heck. But yeah, I probably won't pay $100 bucks. We'll have to see. If it is like magic and made like everything go away, maybe I would. We'll have to see how it is. But for now, we'll give it a try. We'll see how it works. All right, the last product, and the product that I actually chose, we had to choose between a palette or a hair straightener. I don't really use a hair straightener, neither do any of my people in my family. So I went for the palette, even though I'm kind of paletted out lately, but that's okay. This, I've never tried a carroty palette before. This is the Picante palette, worth $29, which is not a bad price. It's very nice, no mirror, which is fine with me. and it has a lot of warm tone shades, which I do enjoy wearing. I don't enjoy oranges, but I love this top row. Love a lot of these golds and yellows. Not really that one. Yeah, I probably won't wear any of these. They'll probably pull very orange on me. But it's a very gorgeous, gorgeous palette. So pretty. I'm glad to try this and to try this brand. I want to say it is pretty affordable. I mean, 29 bucks for this would cost you like 55 at Sephora for one of their brands. So that is my BoxyCharm Premium box. I think it looks like a great month. I'm excited to try these things out, and I'll let you know how they work out for me. If you get this box, let me know what you got or what you wish you would have gotten. I'm trying to see most of the, besides the palette and people getting this straightener, I feel like I've seen people get the exact same thing as me. So let me know if you've gotten anything different. I would be curious. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.